Properties of matter. Hello, kids. Today will be another day full of new ideas and learnings. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you familiar with these objects on the table? Have you tried using them?
They are laboratory tools.
We use them in our science experiments.
Very good. Can you describe the object that I am holding?
That's a beaker. It is clear, medium-sized, and a bit light in weight.
Very good. How about this one?
That's a meter stick. It is made up of wood and rectangular in shape.
Nice answer. These materials are called matter. Matter has two properties: physical properties and chemical properties. When you describe an object in terms of color, size, shape, or phase, you are giving the physical properties of matter.
What are the properties of matter?
Let's look at this diamond. Diamonds are known for being hard and they cannot be cut, even with the sharpest knife. A diamond is known for being the hardest object.
Can we consider metal as a hard object?
Yes, but not all materials are hard. There are some materials that can easily be broken. Can you name them?
Glass can easily be broken, am I right?
Yes, that's correct. Materials that are easily broken are called brittle. Have you noticed how the cloth and sponge can easily absorb water? These materials have pores that easily absorb water. They possess porosity, or the ability to absorb much water.
What property did the rubber band show when I stretched it, and then it went back to its original shape?
That is what we call elasticity. How about this plastic ruler? Can we consider it as elastic?
No, because the plastic ruler can only be bent, but cannot be stretched. The ruler is flexible material.
Good. Aside from that, there are other properties that matter possesses, such as the ability to be hammered into thin sheets, which is known as ductility, the ability to conduct heat, which is conductivity, and the ability to dissolve in liquid, which is known as solubility. Physical properties refer to the properties of a material that can be observed or measured without changing its identity. I placed this nail in this jar of water a few days ago. Look at what happened to it.
I can see rust in it. How did it happen?
Nail is made up of metal. Metal reacts in water that cause changes in its chemical composition or property. Chemical properties refer to the internal composition of matter. Materials like nail, which are made up of metal, reacts with water. This property is known as reactivity. There are materials like gasoline and diesel that ignite easily. They are called flammable materials. There are some materials that should be kept away from children because they are toxic or poisonous. Some of these materials are cleaning materials such as Zonrox, pesticides, alcohol, and gasoline.
What should we do with these materials?
We need to keep them away from children like you and label them properly. There are materials at home that decompose easily. These materials are called biodegradable. Can you name them?
How about leftover food? Can we consider it biodegradable?
Yes, some biodegradable materials are usually found in the kitchen, like peelings, spoiled food, and containers made out of paper. Oh, it's almost time. I hope that in the future you will be able to use the concepts you learned today. See you next time.